Hi. How are you? My name is Phil. I'm with C&W Custom Woodworking. I'm one of the guys in the shop that builds the cabinets, so the guys out in the field can install them. And one of the other things I like to do is build guitars. This is my first build of a guitar. The wood for the body is called tiger woods from South America. A friend of mine took a trip down there and came back with a whole skid full of this tiger wood and gave me some so I could try to produce this guitar. It's a semi-acoustic of my own style. I have a maple fingerboard. It's called bird's eye maple. I drilled out the markers and put faux diamonds in the neck. It's just one of my favorite things to do. The top has been hollowed out. It started out as a thick piece, and you turn it upside down before you glue it to the sides and the back, and you hollow it all out. I used a sander and a mini grinder, as a matter of fact, flap sander, to get it to its right thickness so it has some kind of an acoustic quality. The F-holes are mine. That's kind of tricky. I did everything by hand. I didn't have machines to route it out or to template the F-holes, which are these. It was all done by hand. That's probably why I have carpal tunnel today. But it's my first guitar. My SG, I made it purple, but I wanted to try an SG Gibson style. They call it a bat wing because it's got the two pointy things on it. I'm Batman. You can see the face. I wanted to continue with the semi-acoustic part. I like the thought of being able to create something not out of just a chunk of wood and put a neck on it and it's a guitar. So if you have multiple pieces to put together and something pretty to make the sound come out, then I guess that's why I lean towards that. This is a maple top, and I put a sunburst type finish on it. I play at church. I play bass at church. I love my bass. It is my favorite instrument that I've built so far. And the fact that I can play it at my church to do something for the Lord, then that gives me great satisfaction. The red guitar is a Telecaster type. I'm trying to be as versatile as possible. My next Telecaster I'm going to do probably is very similar to that, but it's going to be a semi-acoustic also. Maybe I'll send you a picture of my green pickguard on there. Yeah, I am not real good at matching colors and things. I've got the same response from 3 different people. What do you think of that? Looks like Christmas. That's been the same response, so we'll see. The end.